Assalamu alaikum. Well, dear students, it is the fourth video about week 13. In this video, we will share some thoughts about abstracts. Fine. Well, in the previous video, we covered some main ideas regarding writing outlines and the types of outlines. Well, what is an abstract? An abstract is a brief description in very condensed, comprehensive statements that are the gist or epithet of the entire report. Means, in simple manner, an abstract is the very short description of one page or less than one page in which we sum up the entire report in very short, brief, to the point sentences. And these abstracts are quite significant in scientific report writing because either you propose a plan or you are actively working on a project or you have completed your project successfully and now you are in the documentation phase, you need to write abstracts so that the very person before going into your plan, speaking into your longer discussions or forging into your longer dissertations may have an overview shortly within 2 or 3 minutes that what is your subject matter, what was your problem, what are your methods, how you tackle the method, what were the results, and what are the suggestions and recommendations. Interestingly, these both devices, outlines and abstracts, are initial instruments fixed in a report to briefly guide. Abstracts are more comprehensive and whereas outlines comparatively are bit detailed ones. Fine. Abstract writing is an art and is the first requirement for writing a technical report. Let's read here. An abstract is a self-contained, short and powerful statement that describes a large work. Components vary according to discipline. An abstract of a social science or scientific work may contain scope, purpose, results, and contents of the work. An abstract of humanities work may contain thesis, meaning your point of view or problem statement, background, mean history, and conclusion of the large work. An abstract is not a review, nor does it evaluate the works being abstracted. While it contains the keywords found in the large work, an abstract is original document rather than an accepted passage. Here the difference is that an abstract in itself is a complete body. Secondly, it is not merely a summary of a report, but it contains the entire vision and style and development of the writer and designer or engineer or a scientist. Second, why abstracts are written I have briefed, but let's see. The two most important reasons: selection and indexing. Abstracts allow readers who may be interested in longer work to quickly decide whether it is worth their time to read it or not, Also, many outline databases use abstracts to index large works. Clear? It means why write an abstract I have expressed to facilitate your reader, whether he is your boss, principal engineer, or merely a common researcher. Abstracts are a guide to decide the person whether the report you published or you are exhibiting to them is worth to their need or not. Clear? Next, when do people write abstracts? Number one, when submitting articles to journals, especially online journals, online research journals, people have to write abstracts. Normally, first their abstract is accepted. When applying for research grants, mean being an engineer, if someone wishes to apply to a research project, normally university grants, clear, they have to write the projects, abstracts of their ideas and views. Or when writing a book proposal, when completing the PhD dissertation or MA thesis, likewise you are doing MCS, when writing a proposal for a conference paper, when writing a proposal for a book chapter. Clear? Minimum in these cases you have to write an abstract. Clear? Now, the types of abstracts. There are different types of abstracts, descriptive and informative. They are the two famous type of abstracts. And the third one may be called combination of both, descriptive and informative. Clear? It is called critical abstract, but the best form is combination of both, critical, uh, descriptive and informative. Clear? What does contain a descriptive abstract in it? A descriptive abstract indicates the type of information found in the work. Descriptive abstract tell you about the nature of the information, the nature of project. For example, you are doing a project in a various capacities and under various programs. So you say that my project is on about iOS, or it is uh, office management system. Clear? It provide this, so it is all the description. It makes no judgment about the work, nor does it provide results or conclusions of the research. It doesn't incorporate keywords found in the text, but it may include in the descriptive abstract. You must include purpose, methods, and scope of the research. Clear? And here the next thing is informative abstract. The purpose of an abstract is to provide prospective readers to opportunity to judge the relevance of the longer work to their. This discussion has been made fine. And the informative abstract gives you information about the subject matter, tools, technology, data. Clear? Arguments, results, exemplification, these are all included in the informative aspect. Clear? These abstracts also include the key terms found in the longer work, the purpose and the method of the research. Clear? So, dear students, you have got the introduction to both types of the abstract, informative abstract and the descriptive abstract. In the next video, inshallah, we'll cover, let you read both type of abstracts fine, so that you may find the difference. Thank you very much.